Hello guys, we were doing our unboxing to our Sony Experia XZ ordered from Shopee. So let's look at it inside. What's inside? So we will remove the tape in the box. We're using a cutter knife. And look at that. We are. Yes, this is it. Oh yeah. Punch of a jelly case. Yes, a jelly case. Adapter and type C charge cord and a headset. Okay, and the Sony Experia XZ. Okay, with glass cover in it. So let's test it now. Okay, finding the power button. I'm new to it. Okay, there it is. Oh yeah. Power dime. It's not from the Como, so I guess it's from China or global version of Sony Experia XZ. So let's log in our Google account. Yeah. Set up as new. Setting up our Wi-Fi. And just log in the password, the Wi-Fi password. And here we are. The Google account has been set. Voila. Look. Very shiny. Almost brand new. But it's a second-hand phone from China. I must sign in my Google account first. After that, all set. We're ready to go. Okay, here we are. Our new Sony Experia with many bloatware apps. So let's expect that there's many bloatware apps. Okay, and it occupies us 9.31 gig out of 32, so only 21 gig left in room. Let's test it So okay, after that we put our jelly case. Will you look at it? Oh yeah, it's okay. At least it will not easily damage our phone. It's too thin, I guess. And let's test next. Let's test about the charger or the USB adapter. Let's see. Actually, they sent me a Samsung USB adapter, so I guess it may be work. Cut the type C cord. Yeah. And let's see, plug it in. Okay. And voila, it's charging. Yeah, it's charging and it's good. Maybe we'll do an update to the apps like Google Play, and after that, okay, it's fine. It's very nice. Fine.